Okay, summer 2026 fashion is not about blending in. It is about intentional, expressive, and just the right amount of playful. We are not doing quiet, we are not doing boring, and we are absolutely not doing minimalism this summer. This season, it's giving everything. Bold colors, gorgeous textures, prints that make people turn their heads, and bags that are basically a statement piece. Also, makeup looks are so expressive, creative, that getting ready in the morning is going to feel so fun. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Priya. I share about fashion, beauty, and luxury content. If that interests you, please subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. I have spent weeks researching every single trend: fashion, shoes, bags, jewelry, and makeup, everything you need to know in this one video. So get comfortable, grab a coffee, and let's get into it. Before going trend by trend, I want to set the scene for summer 2026 as a whole because understanding the mood of the season helps you shop smarter and style better. The overall theme for this summer is maximalism. And I don't mean chaotic, throw everything at the wall maximalism. It is intentional, joyful, expressive, where more is more, but it's curated. Think bold prints layered with texture, color combinations that feel unexpected but somehow totally work. Accessories that are statement pieces on their own. This is the season that rewards the bold. Definitely, we are moving away from beige, the muted, the no-buy minimalism aesthetic that honestly has been a trend for a couple of years now. This summer is basically fashion's way of saying we are having fun again. So try that print, wear that bright color, stack the necklaces, and grab that statement bag. And the good news, every trend I am covering today is genuinely wearable. I'm not here to show you the runway looks. You can't actually wear it. Everything I'm talking about, we can wear them for brunch, to work, to wedding, or to the beach. Also, I will link everything I featured in this video and also some affordable options. Be sure to check them out in the description box below. Let's start with color because color is leading the entire mood. First is butter yellow. Butter yellow is still one of the strongest colors for summer, and I'm not surprised why. It is soft, flattering, warm, and it looks expensive without trying too hard. It is not loud in an aggressive way. It is that perfect creamy yellow that makes everything feel sunlit and fresh. You can wear this color in linen sets, dresses, sandals, bags, tops, nail colors because butter yellow also complements beautifully with white, tan, chocolate brown, denim, silver, and even some soft blues. Coming to the next color, blues are so huge, especially soft sky blue, powder blue, and slightly richer cool blues. Blue is one of those colors that instantly feels summer ready because it gives a clean, crisp, breezy effect. And definitely it looks amazing in striped shirts, flowy pants, linen skirts, scarves, bags, and other accessories. Also, there are some other fun colors that you can mix in with these trendy colors. The key for this summer is not just bright colors. It is how thoughtful you're putting these together. That means color combinations like butter yellow and white, blue and cream, red accents with neutral outfits, soft pastel accessories with monochromatic look, a colorful bag against a simple outfit. So if you're someone who usually wears neutrals, this is your moment to add just one color piece and let that do the work. Also, comment below, are you a butter yellow girly or a blue girly this summer? As you can see, I myself is a blue girly. I love to wear blue and white combinations a lot during summer. Now let's talk about texture because texture is what makes a trend looks expensive. Okay, moving into actual pieces, I want to start with what I think is the single most wearable category of summer, linen. Linen sets are still going strong and they make perfect sense for summer. They are breathable, polished, and effortless. The key is that linen sets are looking a little more stylish and a little less basic. Think matching linen tops and shorts, linen button downs with wide leg pants, crop linen jackets with linen skirts paired with soft tanks. And coming to the other material that we are talking about today is silk. You can incorporate it with silk scarves or silk pants. Also, silk scarves are back in a big way, and they are one of the easiest ways to make an outfit look elevated. You can wear them tied around the head, around the neck, as a top, on your back, as a belt, or even wrapped around a ponytail. A silk scarf instantly makes even the simplest summer outfit feel styled. Of course, one of the biggest differentiators between summer 2026 and the past summers is the texture. We are not doing flat, smooth, boring fabric this season. We are doing rich, interesting, visually complex textures. And the three that are dominating are eyelet, crochet, and ruching. Definitely, this is where this summer gets interesting. We are seeing a lot more eyelet dresses, crochet bags, ruche tops, embroidered detailing in the pants, and tactile fabric finishes. These pieces work beautifully because they add dimension. A plain outfit is fine, but a texture outfit looks finished. Eyelet gives softness and chic. Crochet gives a handmade summery feel. Ruching gives shape and the structure. And embroidery gives the rich detail that makes a basic silhouette feel so special. If you only buy one type of trend piece this season, let it be something with texture. A ruche top in a solid color tucked into a linen skirt with a strappy sandals. That's one of the best summer outfits you can build right now. Now let's talk about bottoms because this summer has several distinct silhouettes and honestly they all can coexist in the wardrobe. Also, it is not just about what you wear, it is about how you style it. A wide flowy pants are essential for this summer. They give that relaxed, elegant movement that everyone wants right now. They are great for hot weather, travel, dressy casual outfits, and beach to dinner styling. And you can style them with a fitted tank, a cropped blouse, a bandeau top, or a silk scarf top with the flat sandals. They look especially chic in lightweight fabrics like linen, silk blends, and soft cotton. Next is capri pants. Yes, they are back in the conversation. And this time they feel more fashion forward. The key is how you style them. Wear them with thong sandals or slim sneakers or a backless loafers with a fitted tee or a crisp button down and with the oversized sunglasses. Capris can feel very polished when the rest of the look is sleek and minimal. Next is Bermuda shorts. These are also a big summer staple. They give a more refined, tailored alternative to short shorts, and that makes them perfect for this season's elevated casual trend. You can style them with structured tops or a knotted shirts with loafers, sculpture bag, and a layered necklaces. They look especially good in denim, linen, and tailored fabrics. Next is knee-length dresses and skirts. Knee-length lengths are making a strong appearance. They feel chic, wearable, and incredibly versatile. A knee-length dress can go from daytime with sandals, evening with heels, vacation with raffia accessories, office-friendly with a pair of pumps. The beauty of this length is any age group can wear this. Now let's talk about the silk pants. These immediately make an outfit feel more luxe. They are soft, fluid, and perfect for dressing up or down. You can style them with a fitted tank, a blazer, a silk scarf, a heel sandals, and a top handle bag. Silk pants give that quiet luxury but with personality vibe. Now let's get into prints because this is where summer gets fun. The two prints that define summer 2026 because both of have had massive runway and street style moments, stripes and polka dots. Stripes are everywhere, but they are not boring this season. They're feeling fresh in oversized shirts, knit tops, dresses, skirts, pants, even in bags. Stripes work especially well with butter yellow, blue, red, white, and black colors. Polka dots are one style that is always in trend. And honestly, they feel perfect for the summer because they strike that balance between playful and chic. You can wear this print in dresses, tops, scarves, skirts, accessories. A polka dot piece instantly gives personality to an outfit. If you need a pattern mixing tip, don't be afraid to mix stripes and polka dot in one outfit if you keep the color palette cohesive. A black and white striped bottom with a black and white polka dot top. Surprisingly chic. The trick is always use same color combination. This season is also about maximalism, but done right. That means one statement print piece with simple accessories, pattern tops with neutral bottoms, printed scarves with solid outfits, color blocked looks with one standout accent piece. The trick is balance. If the outfit is bold, keep the shoes or bag little calmer. If the bag is the statement and the prints are loud, let the rest breathe. That is how you do a maximalism in a wearable way. Shoes are becoming more streamlined but still interesting because this season shoes are generally incredible. Let's go through each trend. Thong sandals. These are one of the biggest shoe trend this season. They are minimal, easy, and surprisingly polished when styled correctly. These are perfect for linen sets, flowy pants, skirts, silk shorts, casual dresses, and also with the same silhouette, make it heel sandals and get ready for the evening. They are sleek, feminine, and perfect when you want something a little more elevated without going full pump. Next, slim sneakers, because they have that clean, low profile shape that works well with almost everything. They are especially good with capri pants, Bermuda shorts, dresses, casual skirts, relaxed tailoring. They make an outfit feel current without overpowering it. And loafers are continuing their fashion reign, and backless loafers are especially strong for summer because they give that easy slip on energy while still looking refined. They work beautifully with capris, linen pants, skirts, shorts, dresses. If you want a look that feels smart, polished, and slightly unexpected, loafers are the move. I found these loafers from Steve Madden that are designer lookalikes. These are very flexible, and the best part, you can also wear it as a backless loafer, which is very comfortable. I love this ruching detailing here, and also it feels very lightweight, and I love this soft leather. Also, it comes in other colors and materials if black is not your color. And right now, this is on sale at Nordstrom. I will make sure to link it below if you're interested. Now let's talk about the accessory category that can make or break the outfit, the bags. This is one of my favorite section. Summer 2026 bag trends are so good that I could honestly do an entire separate video just on this category. But let me break down the key styles. Woven bags. These are still essential for summer because they feel summer perfect without trying too hard. They bring texture, warmth, and a relaxed elegance. Also, Raffia bags are the classic summer accessories, but for 2026, they feel more styled and less of a beach only bags. A Raffia bag can work with linen sets, dresses, chic separates, sandals, even dressed up city looks. And top handle bags are especially important this season because they instantly make an outfit feel more put together. They give polish, structure, a little ladylike energy, and a more editorial finish. The sculptural and architectural shapes is where accessories become fashion objects. These bags work because they add shape to a simpler outfits. If your clothes are soft and flowy, a structured bag can create a beautiful contrast. And prominent chain details are also very strong this season. A very noticeable chain accents that make the bag feel more statement like. On the opposite end, the slouchy bags are also super trending because they feel relaxed and cool. So this summer, the bag spectrum is really like structured and sculpture or soft and slouchy. Let me know in the comments below which one do you like the most, the slouchy one or the structured one. Let me give you the bag formula for this summer. If you are looking for a casual day look, go with raffia or woven bag. For an elevated daytime look, go with a soft slouchy bag. And for the evening, go with the sculptural structured top handle bag. Okay, accessories are not an afterthought this season. They are the whole mood. We are fully in the era of the huge bug-eye sunglasses. And honestly, they look expensive, dramatic, and very fashion forward. Oversized sunglasses instantly give mystery, glamour, a vacation feel, and a little attitude. Jewelry this summer is beautiful, intentional, and loud. Big earrings, bold cuffs, thick rings, all of it. Stacked jewelry, chunky jewelry is also back in a big way. This works especially well because it adds weight to lighter summer fabrics. If the clothing is airy, the jewelry should bring the presence. And layered necklaces are still one of the easiest ways to make a basic outfit feel more styled. You can layer delicate chains, one statement pendant, mixed metal finishes, different lengths for dimension. This works beautifully with tanks, linen tops, dresses, and open necklines. Accessories are definitely what turn a good outfit into a memorable one. Now getting into one of my favorite parts of the video, makeup. Because summer 2026 beauty is having such an incredible moment. The theme in makeup this season is expressive, color, and creativity. Because it is not about looking flat or overdone. The skin trend is definitely shifting away from overly dewy, greasy shine and toward a soft matte finish that still looks glowy. Think blurred, smooth, velvety, lightweight, and skin-like. This is not a heavy matte makeup. It is a refined finish that looks clean and polished. Next, watercolor blush. It is one of the prettiest trends of the season. It gives the cheeks a soft wash of color almost like the pigment melted into the skin. The effect is fresh, youthful, romantic, and effortless. Instead of harsh blush placement, the blush becomes blended into the skin. And of course, an artistic eyeliner. It can be more like a soft eyeliner like I'm wearing today, or a colorful liner, or even slightly abstract shapes. The goal is not perfection, just an expression. Cloud lips. Okay, this is my favorite. Cloud lips are soft, blurred, diffused. They do not look sharply lined or overly shiny. The lips feel pillowy, airy, blurred, and modern. These are my version of blurred lips. I'm wearing L'Oreal Paris Blurring Lip Contour Liner and a Merit Matte Lipstick in the shade Sunday. I'm obsessed with this lip combo. What makes a trend wearable? This part is so important because not every trend needs to become your whole personality. A wearable trend is one that fits into your real life, works with pieces you already own, feels comfortable, can be styled multiple ways, and still feels current next year. So if you're trying to build a summer 2026 wardrobe, think in terms of one great color piece, one textured piece, one statement accessory, one updated shoe, and one makeup item that feels fresh. That is enough to completely update your look without replacing everything you own. So those are the biggest wearables summer 2026 trends in fashion, shoes, bags, and makeup. We are seeing maximalism with restraints, butter yellow and beautiful blues, linen, silk, crochet, eyelet, and ruched textures, flowy pants, capris, Bermuda shorts, and knee and silhouettes, thong sandals, slim sneakers, backless loafers, woven raffia, top handles, structural and slouchy bags, oversized sunglasses and chunky jewelry, and makeup that feels soft, colorful, and creative. I want to know which is your favorite trend this season. And if you want, I can make a part 2 next with Get Ready With Me with on-trend summer glowy makeup and an outfit I put together featuring my favorite summer trends. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Subscribe if you haven't already. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon in my next one.